But
I haven't heard anything yet, sir. I can't just start throwing out a case because you say there was racial profiling. Daekon Chung. 267842180. Chung? Daekon Chung? 24W842, I'm sorry, 26W8422180 A, B, and C. How you doing, Mr. Chung? Mr. Chung? Can you speak English? Can you? How much? Enough where we can conduct a hearing where you can understand?
the interview
You need an interpreter?
because I cannot hear you. I don't have the eardrum.
What?
I don't have an eardrum.
He doesn't have any ears.
I see, I see. So is it more a hearing issue or is it you can't speak English? Which is it?
Or you can dismiss the room.
No, I can't do that. I can't do that. Did they offer you anything? Ooh, your record's bad, huh? Your record's bad. Bad, bad, bad. Why are you driving so fast? I said your record's bad, bad, bad. I don't know what to tell you. They're not going to dismiss it. They're not going to
I don't have both eardrum. Only I hear with the echo.
What is going on here? Did they offer you anything today?
Don't be called Woody, man.
Yeah, Lieutenant, your name?
Lieutenant David Toller, Whittier Police
Did you
Department.
offer him anything today?
Yes, Your Honor, the problem was that, he was questioning the circumstances of the stop and thought that he was racially profiled.
Oh, boy.
and-
Okay. All right, good enough, good enough, good enough. We'll just set a formal hearing or an informal hearing. We will set an informal hearing.
You hear him, in formal hearing? What he, what.
Or just
the
the-
officer, like we spoke about.
When you tell the story, then you can dismiss the room.
I'm not dismissing
That's
this.
the story.
Come
I
on.
already told you. So.
I said you had to have the officer present because I wasn't there, remember?
Yeah, well, you can do either way.
We're gonna set an informal hearing. We'll set an informal hearing. Informal hearing date, go down the hall, get your notice.
Can Judge bring the federal agents who raise using discrimination? He can order.
I told you to make a complaint with the police department regarding that.
No, it's not functional, it's federal.
Listen. I'm gonna set an informal hearing date. Your record leaves a lot to be desired.
Can you,
Now, you come back on the date of the hearing.
I know Judge, but
I haven't heard anything yet, sir. I can't just start throwing out a case because you say there was racial profiling.
but you can bring the federal agents for racism and the discrimination. A police officer racism and discrimination. I don't want an internal investigation, I want a federal government to jump in.
Well, I don't know what you're asking me. You have the right to make complaints with any.
Racism and the discrimination. So I want a federal government to come in here, hearing date, and federal government, they can charge a police officer.
I'm gonna listen to the evidence.
Police not stop me behind, he come in.
I'm gonna listen, hang on. I'm gonna listen to the evidence. And I'm gonna make a determination as to whether or not you had defective equipment, whether or not you had proof of insurance, and whether or not you committed the offense of improper lane use. That's all I'm doing. If you've got a complaint to make, you can go to whatever agency you wanna make your complaint with, but don't ask me just to throw this out. I don't even know anything about the case. So we'll give you a hearing date. What date is that gonna be, Heather?
Yeah, but.
That'll be May 26th at 1 o'clock.
May 26th at 1 o'clock. May 26th at 1 PM.
Well, you're gonna be testified, so federal government here, then they can charge the police. Then he did the
Listen,
racism or discrimination or not.
Listen,
They know, federal.
Listen.
They know.
listen.
This is a local government, but discrimination on racialism is a federal.
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about. They wrote you a civil infraction charge. I'm gonna listen to them and I'm gonna listen to you.
He come,
Sir, the officer's not here right now. The officer is not here. When he shows up, I'll
okay,
listen.
we do that after that, okay.
We're gonna do it May 26th at 1 p.m.
We go to police officer, then we go into the federal.
Eleven.
What is he saying? Hang on, come on back up here. Wait a minute. Come here.
Your Honor, if I may, I believe he was, when he was referring there, he's referring that he wants somehow the federal agencies to be involved in this.
You can make your complaint with whoever you want. I'm not subpoenaing the federal agents.
I cannot hear him.
He says you can make your complaint to whatever agency you wish.
You can make your hey. You can make your complaint with whatever agency you want. I'm gonna listen to this testimony with respect to these 3 civil infractions, and I'm gonna make up my mind as to whether or not you committed those civil infractions.
I know, but the right
Period.
spot.
Period. That's it. And we're gonna do that May 26th at 1 o'clock, okay? That's the best I can tell you. If you wanna make complaints with other agencies, have at it.
Yeah,
I
but
don't have anything.
federal agents, they can see right there in the
Sir.
spot, they can charge it. In the spot, you know, she need to believe. Not talking about that shit, then they believe.
Time out.
Okay.
I don't know who you think you are.
Well, you judge it.
I don't know who you think you are.
You judge, you can do everything.
No, I have rules and I comply with the rules. I'm a judge. I can do anything. Are you? May 26th, 1 o'clock. May 26th, 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock, he went out to the.
Louis Lozon.
Thank you, Judge.
And I agree, you never filled out anything on
Yeah. Thanks, Bill.
the sentencing.